ẹ̀gbọ́n kí ni ó ṣàlẹ̀ tẹ́nìsì ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ dúró mẹ́ ọ̀ṣẹ̀ dúró bíbẹ̀ tó sọ pé ṣe ọ̀ṣẹ̀ wọ̀. ọjọ́ díẹ̀ tó ti máa ń pè lo àbílíìmù títínà náà nù.
This is the evening of Sunday, the 28th day of September 2025. Contrary to the claims by the government source that security operatives had repelled an attack in Okendo, Ifendodon local government area of Kwara State, no fewer than 10 persons were confirmed killed on Sunday morning when the bandits invaded the community. An unspecified number of residents were also reportedly kidnapped. A member of the local vigilante group in the town, identified simply as Ajetomobi, told Sobi FM that the government was engaging in propaganda over incident. And that raises a question on how the government is trying to suppress the information about insecurity in Nigeria. Why should the government, or why would they come out to say that nobody died, that everything is normal, that they have repaired the attack, whereas the real people are dying? Unspecified number of people. When I reached out this evening, they were telling me that up to 15 persons are missing after 10 persons, the vigilante officers, has been taken away. Now, how will you feel if you have a community where the military are not always present despite the deployment of the military to the area because of the security challenges? If you have vigilante as your hope, you have the vigilante as your NATO God in that community who always defend you, and you are living in that community just because of the vigilantes living there. Only thing for you to hear is that 10 of them have been taken away because they are the threat to these people, to these bandits, to these terrorists. They are the threat. Why these terrorists have not, taken your people out? Now, this is what the vigilante from the scene told us. He said, in quote, "We have been hearing that the bandits were around the community since Saturday night, and we sent out messages to security operatives to be prepared. To our surprise this morning, the attackers started the attack from the duty post, targeting the vigilante," he said. So from the comment of this vigilante officer, the message has been sent to the appropriate authority, to the security operatives, that these people are already around. Like I used to say, if you want to gather intelligence, if you want to gather information like we do, it is very easy. Nigeria is one of the simplest or easiest countries to gather intelligence. You know why? Because the terrorists are operating in a safe haven. They are not hiding their movement. If they enter your community, you will know they entered. The police will know they entered. The military will know that they entered. But the question that is leaving everybody dumbfounded is, why would they also carry out the attack and go freely? That is a very important information that a lot of people should be able to understand, that this thing is also a form of collusion in Kwara State. And I told Kwara people about a year ago that a new Benue is underway. Don't downplay the level of insecurity in Kwara State now. Now, according to him, among those killed were community members identified as Oje, Sahid Metubi, Bala Ogba, Ayo, among others. So he was naming the people that their life were cut short by these barbaric people. He said the corpses have been taken to the police station while the injured were rushed to the general hospital in Shell. Now, after the dead body has been taken to the police station, who gave the police and the government the audacity to come out to say that there is no casualty and the attack has been repaired? You see, this is conspiracy, propaganda by this government. Propaganda in the highest point. It might be the state government, it might be the federal government, but I think the responsibility of security is on the federal government. So the federal government has the responsibility of releasing information through the police, the people that died, if they repaired the attack, and so on and so forth. Now, let me shock you. About a week ago, one of the royal father in Kwara State was arrested. He was accused of collecting money on behalf of the bandits. What is the purpose of terrorism in Nigeria? What is the purpose of Boko Haram? What is the purpose of these bandits? What is the purpose of ISWAP? Now, he accused the government of failing in its primary duty of protecting the citizens, noting that intelligence about a possible attack had circulated days earlier. I stopped sharing intelligence to people because I started becoming a target. Like, is this boy doing what he's saying? How can he say something happened today? This boy must be among the people terrorizing. This boy must be among Boko Haram, all those things. I start keeping quiet, because if you want to gather intelligence in Nigeria, it's very easy. I can tell you what is going on in the northwest Nigeria. I can tell you what is going on in Kogi. I can tell you what is going on in Imo State. I can tell you what is going on in Delta State. This is not a rocket science. These people are not hiding to operate. Get that clear into your brain. These people are not hiding to operate. They are operating as if they are in their kingdom. They dare the police, they dare the military, they dare the DSS. They challenge the government, and at the end, the government will have a peace accord with them. They will threaten the government. If you attack us, we wipe away your cities, will burn down Nigeria, and the government will still beg them, repent, you can become president, you can become Warren Bullshit, who imported these people in 2015. The day Nigeria will rise up to demand this question, that is the day things will turn around. But you know what? Nobody have the guts to do that, and that is why things will never change. Now, this vigilante officer continued to say, the government failed in its primary duty. Meanwhile, the national president of Okendo Community Development Association, Aharje Ganiyu Ajanda, while condemning the killing, urged the state government to intensify its security measures. Are you going to blame the security? I mean the state government? Yes, you might blame them, but later. Remember what Dauda Lawal said. Dauda Lawal is the incumbent governor of Zamfara State, and he told us that he was determined to wipe away the terrorists in Zamfara State, but Abuja stopped him. That is the same man who have accused Tinubu, Minister of Defense State, of being part of these terrorists. Now, a terrorist was going to Hajj in Saudi Arabia, and he was intercepted by DSS. Who sent him? A senator who is in charge of intelligence in Nigeria. What is this place where we are? This is not a country, man. You know, truth is bitter, but we have to say it. Politicians cannot can't continue to be sponsoring insecurity, and the real people are dying while the military and police are guiding them. Now, the last two paragraphs of what he said reads that while commending the government on various security measures already put in place, we call for doubling of efforts towards completely routing these undesirable elements from the Okendo axis and the entire state general, Ajanda said. Now, at the time, this video I'm about to share with you, I shared this video about 2 weeks ago. Someone filmed it, and this video have circulated online. It is about the same Kwara state. This Kwara state is under siege. Your lands will be taken away. Your people will be sent out of their ancestral land. I want you to watch this video that I've been showing you. These are empty communities. Nobody dare to come here any longer. But the state and the federal government are keeping quiet because APC government imported these terrorists in 2014-2015. We are not going to keep quiet about this. Nigerian politicians knows everything about insecurity that is going on in Nigeria. And until the people rise up, this will continue. And very soon, people might not have a place to call their own.
Hello, good afternoon. This is Nanoku, a community under Patigi local government, Kwara State, Nigeria. We are the members of this community, and as you can see, nobody in this community, everybody has fled for his or her life, for the safety of their lives. Everybody has left the community. As you can see, the status at which the community is now is devastating, because nobody in this community, as you can see, this community has the capacity of about over 1,000 people, and as you can see, you cannot find a single person in this community. Everybody has left because bandits and kidnappers are coming in day after day to terrorize us and kidnap people. As you can see, currently, 3 of our members are in their custody. They are demanding for hundreds of millions for them to free those that are in their custody. As you can see, this is our church. This church has capacity of more than 1,000 people, and as you can see, no single person in this church today. Today is Sunday, and no single person in the community that will go into the church and pray, because everybody has left. As you can see, this community is devastating day after day. about 10 days ago, they have been running for their lives. Some people do come in the daylight. They will come and take care of their farm product. But now you cannot even go to farm. You could not go to farm because they will come into your farm and kidnap you, and they will be demanding for a ransom of hundreds of millions. Please, we are pleading to the government of Kwara State and the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the chairman of particular local government that they should come to our aid and rescue us from the hands of these people. Because as you can see, many of our farm products are there. They are done for harvest and we could not harvest them because when you go to farm, they will come for you and they will kidnap you. If you refuse to follow them, they will shoot you and eliminate your life. See, and what they are demanding for is what we cannot afford. Millions of, hundreds of millions of nairas is what they are demanding for, and we cannot afford for it. How do they want us to survive? And we have been pleading to the Kwara State government, the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and even the local government that they should come to our aid. They should send down security personnel that they will come and secure the village. And they do not listen. They don't act into our request. We don't know what we have done to them. They refuse to come to our aid. Please and please, we are pleading to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the Kwara State government, and the chairman of particular local government that they should come to our aid and rescue us from the hands of these people. As you can see, the whole community is empty. No single person in this community. Even I that is speaking presently, I just sneak in this afternoon to come and see the status of the community. And to be honest with you, nobody in this community, I'm telling you, no single person in the community, the whole community is empty. All the houses are there, but no single person in the houses. We don't know what we have done to the government, and they refuse to come to our aid. These people are terrorizing us day by day. More than 15 days now, these people have been terrorizing us. About a month ago, they come and eliminate some people in the community. We do not care. We take it at that maybe it is over, but now what they are doing to us is worse than what they have been doing before. Day after day, they do come in. They will eliminate. They will kill. And even some of your valuables, they will carry them away. We don't know what we can do anymore. If you have a new bike in this community now, you are in danger because they will be hunting after you day after day. They will be monitoring your movement. Once they know that they see you where they could not, where nobody is around, they will attack you and collect your bike. And those people, they are in the bush. They are in the bush coming with sophisticated weapons. They have sophisticated weapons that we do not have. How can we confront them? We can't confront them. And even present as I'm speaking with you, I am in the compound of the village head. As you can see, no single person, even the village head, is not in the community because everybody fled for their life. Everybody is no more in this community. Please, I'm pleading with the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the Kwara State government and the chairman of particular local government that they should come and rescue us from the hand of these people. These people, they are busting day after day. And even though if you try to comfort them, they will send a message to you that since you said that you are powerful, you can comfort them. They are coming back for you. What could you do again? It's for you to run for your life, for your safety. We don't know what we have done to the government. Maybe they don't care about us or what happened. We don't know, but we are pleading that they should come.